Before we jump into our CV example, I want to share a quick note with you. This example is simply meant to help us understand some basic concepts in HTML. If you come across any unfamiliar terms or tags, don't worry. We will be covering all of these in detail as we move forward in this tutorial.
What will be the heading tag for my name, which is second level heading? Yes, that is right, H2. Start making H2 here and stop heading to here with the forward slash. Save it, reload it. This word qualification is third level heading. Yes, you are right. We need to put H3 now and closing H3. Save, reload it. This skill word should be third level heading as well. Before skills H3 and closing tag H3. Save it. Yes. Now, if we look at the improved text, after my name, I had a horizontal row, and after qualification before skills, we have a horizontal row. After my name, we put a tag to tell browser make a horizontal row, HR. And before skills, we want to tell the browser make a horizontal row. Save it and reload it, and then we can see these two horizontal rows. Now we want to make this list as a ordered list. So what is the tag for that? Using tag OL. Ending point, here is the ending point. So here we tell the browser that stop making ordered listing. Now to make it list item, we need to put another tag LI, list item. And similarly at the end of list item 1. Save it, reload it, started our ordered listing by using 1 as a first item of the list. For the second list, we will copy this one. This is the second list item. This is the third list item. This is the fourth list item. Closing, copy. This is the end of second list item. This is the end of third list item. This is the end of fourth list item. Save it, reload it. And then we have a nice list of my qualifications 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the tag for the unordered listing? Yes, you are right, UL. And ending tag will be here, UL with the forward slash. List item, yes, it will be the same for the as we have in ordered listing. So we copy it here, we copy it here. Sometimes I'm leaving more space than required. In HTML, it doesn't make any difference, but I will explain this to you later. Save it. And now we have another nice list of bullet point list or unordered list. With this example, we wanted to understand some basic terms which I will now explain. The boilerplate code. This is the basic structure in every HTML document should start with. It ensures that your web page is properly recognized and displayed by the browser. As to cut it short, every HTML document should contain a set of HTML tags. This collection of the tags is what we call boilerplate code. Let's move on and open our folder HTML Learn on the desktop. Click on the folder HTML Learn at desktop, and on the index.html file, right click, select Open With, and then from the submenu select Notepad and open a new tab. First line of the boilerplate code is doc type HTML. This is called HTML declaration. It tells the browser that we are using the latest version of HTML, which is HTML5. Next tag is HTML closing tag. HTML closing tag signifies the end of the HTML document.
In HTML tag, you will see something like this, but we will discuss it later in this course.
Next, we have head section, starting with the head tag and ends with the head tag, closing head tag. This section has metadata, which is not displayed in the web page, but information in this page, in this section, is important for the browser and for the search engine. If you are concerned with the SEO, then you should have this section. Within the head section, we have information like title of the page, links to the style sheet, scripts, and other resources. title tag and closing title tag, whatever we have between these two opening and closing title tag, it will be displayed at the title bar of the browser. For example, we wrote our CV and the title of my web page, I want the title Amjad's CV. This is very important tag for the search engine and for the browser. After title tag, in the set section, we have another tag, meta character set is equal to double quote and UTF-8. This tag tells the browser that which character set we will be using in the text. UTF is a universal character set that supports almost all characters and symbols, making it a standard choice.
Then you will see another tag which is little bit technical, but don't worry, we will also discuss it in detail later in this course.
After head section, body section, starting with the body tag and ends with the body tag. Whatever you want to display in your web page comes within this body tag. For example, we have our CV and we want to display every line of it, so we will copy it and paste it within the body tag here. So this is now our standard HTML document which has boilerplate code, and then we have the content of our web page. We will close index.html and save this document as an HTML document, index.html document in the same folder. So to save it as an HTML document, to replace the old one index.html, we will select all files and click on this one, save it. It will ask us that we want to replace it. Yes, we want to replace this file with the new one. So this is our index.html with essential HTML elements or boilerplate code. Minimize it, go to the folder and open this file, and you can see at the top of the browser title bar, we have the title Amjad CV as we have written in our document. Here is the document. Title tag, within the title tag, it is shown in the title bar of the browser here. Now I want to talk about a very good feature of Google Chrome that is called View Page Source. As a professional web developer, you will need this feature to use in your web development. Let's take a look at how we can view the HTML code of any web page using Google Chrome. For that purpose, open your Chrome browser and let's go to website www.step0.com. Once the page is loaded, right click anywhere on the page. For example, here I right click and from the context menu, go to View Page Source. Or if you click Ctrl+U, it will open the page source. A new tab will be open and you can see HTML code of the www.step0foryou.com. This feature is useful for you in learning and understanding HTML code and how it works in the web page and in the browser.